Whenever you say the word vitamin C to me in skincare, I immediately think collagen. And when you think collagen, you think sort of spring back, bounce back within the skin. And collagen is incredibly important because it's one of the, if you like, the scaffolding poles that supports the skin with elastin. So you've got that bounce back elasticity, that support. Circadian C is designed to be used at night, which can be unusual for a vitamin C product, but I truly believe that your skin benefits more from a vitamin C if it's been applied after your skin has been exposed to daylight. Even if it's underneath an SPF, it will work on your skin in a stronger way. And I call it circadian because, again, using it overnight, there's nothing else on your skin. You've cleansed before you go to bed. You've used your skin care routine. You apply circadian C and you let your skin just take care of making that difference. You're not having to deal with changes in temperature. You are just resting and you're falling into lines with the skin's natural repair cycle, which happens overnight. Hence, we've used the word circadian. Now, what we've got in here is we've got a vitamin C, and it's encapsulated. So it's almost like in little bags of fresh vitamin C. It's called Circadian C Optimised Time Release Repair Paste. And that's because it will release over time. So that falls in with anything. If you know about taking a vitamin C, you know that if you take a whole load, the body can only absorb a certain amount at any time. So if you want to take a better version, you take a time release so that overnight with circadian C, it's going to be working on your skin continually and incrementally. So you've got your little bags of circadian C, of the vitamin C encapsulated with vitamin E that's going to keep it really, really fresh. And then when you apply it, you'll feel it go through a sticky stage. And that for me is saying that you've burst those little bags of fresh vitamin C. What we've also done is we've surrounded or sort of dipped those little bags of fresh vitamin C into rice bran water, which helps make that vitamin C more stable and more available. The vitamin C is in at a submicron level, so it's going to absorb into the skin more efficiently, but it's also going to be made more bioavailable or more available to the skin with that rice bran. We've also included Kakadu plum, which is one of the world's sort of highest superfruit C content fruits there are. So we've surrounded it by that. And then we've also put some oils of linseed and from celery seed, which again are really, really high in vitamin C. So we've kind of got a vitamin C hit. We've dipped it in a vitamin C superfruit. We've floated it in bioavailability rice bran water, which means basically your skin is going to get every last bit of vitamin C. And what that's going to do is it's going to mean that if you apply it at night, you're going to awaken with even toned skin. So if, like me, you sometimes get redness over the chin or in this area here, it's all going to sort of blend in and even out with a regular application of circadian C. And when I say regular, I do mean regular, but I do mean 2 or 3 nights a week maximum. What we tend to think is more. It certainly is not that way with circadian C and with most of the products in our range, because vitamin C is actually quite high on the acidity. So if you think you're getting a result and therefore you use more, what you're going to do is give your skin a problem on the acid mantle. So your exfoliator, your alpha hydroxy, if you're using our award-winning skin foliate, is going to have to work so much harder. So by using too much C, you're throwing your skin out of balance and you're not getting the entire benefit. So 2 to 3 nights maximum. The best way to apply this is to cleanse, exfoliate, and then for me, it's 1 pump dispense. So not very much at all. Massage that into the skin and you massage it around on the skin until you start to feel the sticky. I don't know if you can hear. And once you hear the sticky, you can massage just a little bit more and then leave it. Because if you carry on going or you've applied too much, and that whole pump would do neck and face and décolleté as well. So if you're only doing face, go for half a pump and then massage lightly until you feel the sticky. Take off the pressure and just brush it and buff it gently. And then once it's dried down, you can apply something over. We recommend maybe overnight recharge balm or a little bit of OO cream. And the reason you don't carry on is because what will happen is it might well roll, and you don't really want that to happen. So when you get to the sticky, it says on the instructions, massage until you get to the sticky and then leave it and it will dry down. Your skin might feel a little bit tight. That's just the products drying down on the surface of your skin, and that will be solved by a little bit of OO cream afterwards. But what that sticky says to me is that you know you've released the fresh vitamin C. That's going to release over time on your skin, and it's just going to allow you to waken in the morning with that really beautiful vitamin C repair, optimized, even toned glow. So Circadian C, massage it in gently, go through the sticky stage, lift off the pressure, don't let it roll, and just see how the difference works on your skin.